As an outsider looking in, I've watched both, remote sales teams in the tech space. I've watched in-person, in-office sales teams. Everybody is yelling at each other. Everybody's passing around notes. People are screaming, "Where's my notes? I can't find my notes." In the tech space, either use Slack or Teams, messages are going back and forth. People are tagging like entire channels in panic saying like, "Hey, I need more information about this product because I'm trying to close a deal." Like all of it just comes down to it feels like we are never, not we, but sales teams are never prepared for end of quarter, and those happen 4 times a year. So you would think there would be some preparation, not just process wise, but using that, your tech stack to mitigate that crunch. So I'm wondering, as someone who's been through it personally, how can you prepare beforehand? What things do you need prepared to not have to hit that crunch? And how should the CRM itself try to help you during that crunch?
Yeah. Not, well, like anything, the more prepared you are in general, the easier it is to prepare for that event. So if your CRM is like your desk and it's a shit show, it's going to be a shit show when you're pressed. So step one is get to a point where you've got a level of organization that is fitting. It's different for everybody. Like my desk is a mess. My CRM is not perfect, but I keep it where I need it to be, right? I can't keep it at perfection because I'll put a fork in my eye. If everything had to be perfect every day and I couldn't sign off until this checklist was done and all these are handled, then I would just put a fork in my eye and be done. I would just do something else. It can't do it. Sorry, it's not happening. But there is a level. There's got to be that level for me. Now it's different for someone else. Another salesperson can be very buttoned up and needs to have everything checked off, or they can't sleep at night and they can't start their next day. No problem. That's fine. But it needs to be wherever you are. If you can get there, is my point. If you can get to that level, then you have some proactive planning to do for when you're going to be pressed. End of quarter would be an example of when you're going to be pressed. How do I prioritize deals? What are my notifications going to be? When am I notified that, in particular, somebody that is on my Q end of quarter target list is on the website? Open my email, right? Like what's happening from a priority perspective that relates to the deals that are in a quarter.